I'm Chef Rose, and this is my cooking channel.
Quick and easy skirt steak by Chef Rose. For this recipe, you'll need skirt steak, orange juice, lime juice, olive oil, soy sauce, salt, pepper, oregano, and fresh thyme. Let's combine all our ingredients together. Let's toss and turn to combine the flavors. Time to cook these babies. Do you see what I see? Grill marks. Time to slice up the skirt steak. Thank you for watching.
And if you like what you see, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Familia, I'm Chef Rose. No. Familia, welcome. Nick, don't laugh.